Hey, welcome back to our kitchen.
Making some sun tea today because it's going to be super hot out today. It can be like 100 degrees.
Oh, so it's gonna be yummy.
Alright, so basically, here's how I do it.
Yeah.
First we got to put some fresh water in it, so let's do that.
Yeah. Come over here.
This is kind of hokey dokey setup, but who wants to stand here forever and hold that thing?
Right? So we just put it on our chair.
These are awesome. These are so awesome.
You could take this camping with you and literally pull water out of the river
Yes.
or the creek. At
Yeah.
least that's what we heard on YouTube.
Yeah, this guy on YouTube says he's been doing it for like 6 years, and him and his family's never gotten sick from river water or lake water.
I think they do the RV life, or at least the camping life.
We do tap water, so.
Yeah, so this way it's a lot healthier for us. And we're giving this water to the cats. So y'all remember Berkey.
Yeah, I think this thing's expensive, but it's better than all the other ones.
It is, and it's worth it in the long run.
Yeah.
Because it takes like 10 years to replace a filter.
It tastes like yummy Alhambra.
What is it, Leo? You want to be in this video?
He always wants to be in the video.
As he walks away.
Go, Berkey, go, go.
Yeah. Hey, baby. How you doing? Yes, you beautiful. You beautiful baby. Alright, so what we do is we fill it up. Baby's showing us her mad skills here.
She's a shredder.
Shredding, baby. That's why we keep these boxes around. It keeps them happy. They usually stay off the furniture that way.
Oh no, I think she's eating it.
Uh-oh.
She's on a diet. She's been eating stuff.
Oh, no.
And I think it's trying to start eating some cardboard and try to.
That's awful. Yeah, baby.
She's got big tummy.
Yeah.
Hey, Sarah, don't eat the
Hey,
cardboard.
no. Stop that.
What are you, a cockroach?
You are a cockroach.
All right.
What are you doing, Leo? Everybody's hungry. Oh, it's a race to see who can fill up what first. Because as we take out, we still put in.
Yes, and if you ever want to see the inside of ours, I guess you can buy 4 filters. I don't know if you can see in there, it's pretty dark. But it comes with 4 holes plus 2 filters. And I guess you could, if you got really bad water, you can upgrade and put 4 filters in.
Yep.
And this is supposed to last years.
Huh, Leo? Not a sponsor, but Berkey's awesome. All right, we're almost to the top.
Oh, ho, ho.
Well, we don't go quite all the way to the top, do we? You leave a little room for
Yeah,
not too much.
I'm going to put a little bit more in this time.
We're in the splash zone, by the way.
We're getting the splash zone.
First 10 rows
Yee-hoo.
is a baby.
Yeah, because this tea kind of floats on top. It doesn't really, like, ooh, it's going to
Oh,
float
okay.
now.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
And Leo's coming through here. He's like, you guys are in the kitchen.
Yeah, we got to fill this guy back up. He's already getting down to the trickle zone.
Ruh-roh.
All right, we're going to call that good. And you want to make sure you watch this out and stuff because
Every time, guys.
the horror stories I've read, although I've been drinking this all my life and all my friends and neighbors have been drinking this all their life and everybody's been drinking all their life. No one gets sick, but I guess you can grow bacteria in there because it never gets past a certain 140 degrees or whatever it has to get to kill stuff. When you're
Yo.
in the sun. But anyway, so I try to make sure I wash it out in between uses.
Mm-hmm.
I'm getting my stuff in there, my dirty hands. Alright, my hands are already clean. We're going to do, okay, my last time I did this, I did
One of those over.
eyeballs. Come on, eyeballs, don't kill me now.
Isn't that the
I'm
one?
trying to feel it. Oh, there it is, that's the one.
Oh, the one on the end.
But last time I did it with 8 bags, was it?
Yeah, you did 8 bags.
And it was not good
smells
enough.
so good. Smell-o-vision.
Smell.
Oh, if only you could smell.
It was
Not enough.
not enough. So this takes a little bit. So maybe what we'll do is we'll do some super fast editing here, and you'll see. I'm gonna probably put 11 bags in there. What do you think? There's
11
1.
bags.
There's 2. And maybe we won't do fast editing. There's 3. I might just put in whatever the rest I got in here. It better be at least 10, because, yeah. 8 is not enough for however many. This is a gallon, I believe, right?
You just did 4, I think. Yeah.
I'm not counting anymore. Just
You
count
do it.
those.
Okay, 5. 1. Yeah, you're on 5.
6.
6.
Yeah, we're going to have to open up another bag. Another row. 7. 8.
All right, we'll be right back. All right.
9.
Man.
10. I'm going to go with 11. Because 8 wasn't enough.
Yeah.
Or should I go with 12?
do 12.
Do 12. Because it was super weak with 8.
It was, but 10 seemed like almost perfect last time. We just needed to brew a little longer.
I did it for 4 hours last time with 8, and if you like it stronger, then that's not going to be for you. You're going to need it more than 8.
Yeah.
All right, so there's my 12. Right?
Yep.
Right, I'm going to kind of like just stick that down. Instead of using my hand, I'm just going to use a spoon.
spoon.
A big spoon. Get this guy's nice and soaky in there.
Get them in there.
Make sure none of them fall in.
Yeah,
Get
right.
in
Hold
there.
your tags. Get down in there.
Get under the water.
See, the water's still clear right now. It's just starting to turn a little.
All right, you guys are nice and saturated. They'll start soaking it in if they don't get all saturated right
Yeah,
now.
yeah. It eventually pulls them all in there.
All right, now the fun part, the sun part. All right, you just kind of make sure what they'll do is they'll kind of spin around there on you.
Those tags have cute, different little things on them. One of them says, "Take a moment to make a moment."
All right, be right back.
Okay, ooh, you can see it's already changing color a little bit
started?
there. Yeah.
All right, so we're just gonna put it right here on the edge of the patio.
Yep, nice and
We have a metal
sunny
spigot,
spot.
but if you guys had plastic, you probably want to keep that out of the sun because sun's gonna start breaking it down eventually if you keep making sun tea.
Yeah,
We
that's
bought
the
the
only
metal one
bummer.
on purpose, but I'm still gonna be doing it safe.
Oh, so you still face away, and that makes sense.
Yeah.
I know it's sad those ones that have the plastic lid, the plastic everything, because those eventually break down.
So right now it is about almost 11:30, I think.
Yep.
We're gonna come get this at about 4:30 or 5, probably.
Yeah.
All right, and it's gonna. I'll tell you what temperature it is when I get it later, if we remember to film it later.
Yep. All right. If not, we'll see y'all later. Thanks so much for watching.
That's how we do it.
Yep. Later. All right. It's later in the day.
We got there, 116.
Wow.
Can you see it?
Yeah.
All right. I'm gonna move it because it's getting shadowed.
Yeah, it's shade tea.
So I think.
Where to put it? Over by Skitty's thing?
Where's the shade? The sun's gonna be here till 6.
Right.
That's when I want. I put it at 11:30.
Mm-hmm.
So how many hours should I do?
Well, we've already had it out for about 6 hours, 6.5 hours.
Yeah, we could do for another hour or so.
Yeah.
Let's just put it over here.
Yeah.
All right.
Moving it over by the moai. Someone called it Squidward's house. That was so cute. All right.
We should be getting some sun back there for a little while. Then it's going to be in the shade.
Yep.
And then I'll be getting it.
So we'll get back at you.
Looking pretty dark.
Yeah.
All right, what do we got? 5 hours or 6 hours?
We had it for, like 6.5 hours almost. Yeah, 6.5 hours.
All right, we got
So
up to 114.
Wow.
All right, that's pretty
Wow.
warm. It was almost 100 today.
Yeah.
So the first thing I
it's hot
do, guys,
outside.
just for the heck of it, because I'm scared of spiders, I do that.
Oh yeah. Always let a little bit out.
Yeah, just in case.
Yeah, you never know if a spider crawled up in your faucet. You never know.
Yeah.
The spigot, whatever you want to call it.
It ain't no fun.
Nope. Okay.
Oh, it's hot.
Ooh.
Here, hold my tea bags. I got it.
Oh, yeah.
All right, that's how you do it. Now,
Yay.
they say you're not supposed to squeeze it, and I'm not going to because it's all the tannin.
Oh, yeah.
Something, but yeah, you release all the stuff, and you don't want to do that.
Okay.
So there
Good
it
to
is.
know.
Yes.
This is how we do it, guys.
Yeah. Never squeeze them unless you don't
Never
all that
squeeze.
tannin and makes it bitter. Makes it bitter.
Ooh, we don't want it bitter.
No bitter.
That's what wine is for. Wine is for tannins. Tea is for yummy.
All right, so there it is. Now if I let it sit on the countertop till it gets cold, and then I put it in the fridge.
All right.
I don't want to put it in the fridge when it's 114.
No, it will crack.
Yeah. All right.
Thanks so much for watching.
So that's how I make sun tea.
Yahoo! Please
Yeah.
give us a thumbs up, yeah?
Yeah.
All right.
Thank you.
We'll see ya.
Later. All right. This is what I do when I'm all done. I don't put sugar in it in my sun tea. We get ready to put it in the fridge. But I chopped up a whole lemon. I squeezed a bunch of that stuff. Most of my squeeze, and then I shoved it all in there after I washed it really good. What do you think about that? Put that lid on. And you are going in the fridge. Thanks for watching my sun tea video. I hope it helped some people because I had some questions. A lot of good videos out there. All right. Thanks for watching. Bye.